Adalysis has several tools to help you monitor and improve your quality score. So when you go to the quality score data, you'll see your account level quality score, impression weighted for the entire account, and your weekly change. You can graph out your historical breakdown, including the subfactors, by keyword, ad group, campaign, or account. And then we can scroll down to do additional analysis. Do we want to see our quality score data by impressions or conversions or cost data? If we're thinking about improving quality score, we often need to get into the subfactors themselves. So we could graph this by keywords or impressions, say, where do I have a lot of below average? Is it in my landing pages, my ad relevance, my CTRs, and so forth? Or if we want to know, hey, for my highest cost or my best conversions, what does that look like to see where do I have a lot of above average items? Maybe compare that to the account as a whole. When it comes to improving your quality score, we'll help you out by analyzing your ad groups. When you go here, you'll see a quality score priority order, which is the order your ad groups need to be improved based upon your cost and your impression weighted quality score data. Now, if you don't see the quality score data by default, you may need to toggle to see additional data. And we could also graph out our history by ad group. We'll see our weekly change. But if we look and maybe we have a lot of ad groups that have below average ad relevance, we might want to examine the good to see what's doing well so we can put those same changes into what's not doing well. So that's where we can also use our quality score filters. We could say, show me places my ad relevance is above average, analyze the ad to keyword relationships there. Then we can go to our ad groups that are below average instead and try that same type of associations and organizations. Now, as it's hard to filter through so much quality score data, in your audit alerts, you'll also see some alerts related directly to quality score, such as ad groups with poor relevance between the keywords and ads. So this is where you have ad groups where you have a keyword that has an above average ad relevance and another keyword with a below average ad relevance, both with a minimum number of impressions. So Google's telling you that in these ad groups, the same ad can't work for both keywords. So when we have that happening to us, we can go into those ad groups. We can look what our ads look like. We can look at our keywords, and we can see what keywords aren't doing well with that particular ad. And if we look at the ads and the keywords, say, well, this isn't right for this particular ad, we can select those particular keywords. And we can easily move those to a different ad group or make a new ad group. And if you make a new ad group, we'll automatically make a copy of your current ads. You can make some quick adjustments to these ads and build ad groups that are more related to those keywords to help improve those quality scores. Now, when we think about improving our quality scores overall, expected CTR is all about ad testing. So you could go through your ad testing data and see what's improving your CTRs to use that to improve your expected CTR data. Ad relevance is about organization. So we're looking at what are the keyword to ad relationships, and that's where your basic ad group organizations can help improve quality score. And then there's landing pages. So if we go to our landing page data, we'll look to see by landing page how many keywords are above average, and below average by quality score. And if you have most of your impressions are doing poorly, we'll put an alert out so you can sort of tell that difference and note that the keywords going to this landing page need some improvement, which could be a different page, could be a new page. So we can open up our keywords and we can start to look for commonalities among these words versus the ones doing well to say, do we need to change the text on the page, use a different page, or just create a new one? And so by examining what keywords aren't doing well by page, you get some ideas of what needs to be done. Now, in addition, sometimes the issue is just page speed. So we'll link directly to the mobile and desktop page speed tool by Google so you can see, is it a speed problem that needs to be fixed as opposed to the content of the page itself. So when we think about improving quality score, our expected CTR is really working through our overall ad testing data. Our keyword to ad relevance is looking at our organization, and our landing pages are looking at good content on the pages and speedy pages based on those keywords. So using these tools across Adalysis, it's easy to monitor and improve your overall quality scores.